Hi everyone, today we're going to be trying some sour candy. The first one we have is Warheads. These are apple, black cherry, watermelon, lemon, and blue raspberry. These taste like stomach bile. So yeah, they're 50 calories. And let's try one. Whichever one we'll get, we'll just pick it with our fucking hands. I'm 20, so I could cuss if I want to. Let's try it. This one we got, what is this shit? Oops. Black cherry. We got black cherry. We'll try the black cherry one. It's coated with white shit on the outside. You see it? Oh. 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 I like the taste after the sour. It tastes like black cherry. I'm gonna spit this out. Because it's good, but it tastes like black cherry. So this is the next one. Sour wedges. These are by Warheads too. And apparently they're lemonade. They have pink lemonade, watermelon punch, and cherry limeade. So we're gonna try the pink lemonade one. I think this is the pink lemonade one. Oh my god. I think that was the watermelon punch actually. Oh. Because that was kind of a darker pink. I don't know how light the pink is supposed to be. Because they all look like dark pink. Where's the light pink ones? Okay, I guess this is the pink lemonade one. Tastes the same. You really can't tell the difference between the watermelon punch and the pink lemonade. I would say they're both good. This one's the cherry limeade. It's okay. It's pretty good. Okay, so the last one we have are these Sour Patch Kids, the OGs. I mean, I used to be obsessed with these, but now I'm just like, nah. But hey, let's try it. Which one shall we try? I like to just fucking mash them together. Just ketchup and mustard. They're very gummy. Ugh. Try the lemon with the red one. That combination is fire. There's the orange one. That's good. It tastes kind of like orange Gatorade. This is the green one, a lime. Fucking love a lime. Oh my god, it's really good. Let's try a blue one. These ones aren't really my favorite. I prefer the orange or the lime. I prefer the blue raspberry Jolly Rancher. Those are so much better. And that was my reaction of sour candies. Let me know what you guys thought. If you liked it or not, leave a like or a dislike. And yeah, bye guys. See you again next time. Bye.